Hello, in this video we look at the Class Manager in Immerse2learn. The Class Manager is reserved for Immerse2learn system owners. Subscription customers should contact Immerse2learn support at support@immerse2learn.com. The Class Manager is an instructor tool used to create new classes, copy existing classes, or archive old classes. To access the Class Manager, go to Immerse2learn homepage, cursor over the Classes and Courses menu, and select Class Manager. First, let's talk about how to create a new class. To create a new class, click the New Class button at the top right of the Class Manager. The New Class button takes you to a blank Class Editor page. For more information, see the help video on Class Editor for system owners. Next, let us look at how to create a new class by copying an existing class. Click the Copy button associated with the desired class. In the Class Editor, create a unique enrollment code and make any desired changes, then click the Save button to create your class. Now let us look at how to archive an old class. The Archive Class tool is used to remove a class from the students' and instructors' homepages while preserving all the associated data, for example, class roster, grades, etc. To archive an old class, click the filing cabinet icon associated with the desired class. Notice the class then moves below the Class Archive ribbon bar. To remove a class from the archives, click the filing cabinet associated with the desired class. This class will be restored, but you will have to update the status to active in the Class Editor if you want students to have access. This concludes the video on the Class Manager. For Immerse2learn support, contact support@immerse2learn.com.